Hi, in this series of videos we're going to restore a 1993 vintage HO scale model railroad. It was given as a Christmas present in 1993. It was used for about 2 years and then it was put against the garage wall for the next 28, 29 years. And those years took a toll. The track got all corroded, some of it fell off, the buildings all fell off. The streets and sidewalks were eaten by insects, so we've got a lot of restoration to do. We're going to use techniques that were available in 1993. We're not going to use anything from the present day like websites where you can print a building, cut it out and fold it and you've got a building. Our buildings, for example, were made from scratch, many of them. Like this is just a plastic case. We painted it gray, and the windows and doors are cut out of an old real estate catalog that I saved. The sign is from a flyer. This is probably from some plastic house that wasn't salvageable, so I took the air conditioning unit and put it on the top of here. This one here is just a box. And once again, cut out windows and doors from a real estate catalog and the sign from a flyer. This restoration is going to be in 3 parts. We're going to have the trolley line, the circular trolley line, and we're going to extend it to the rest of the town. And we have to restore the rail line. We have to rebuild the buildings that were damaged, and we've got to fix the streets and the sidewalks. If you'd like to subscribe to watch this restoration and see future videos in this series, click the subscribe button below. We already worked on the trolley line, cleaning the tracks, and quite a lot of repair work on the trolley. That will be the subject of a future video. And let's end this video by running the trolley. Thank you for watching.